Hey everybody, what is going on? Today we're going to do a mail call. I don't do a lot of mail calls, but I've got some here to go through, so I figured it's a good thing to do. Give a little shout out to people who sent me some stuff and say thank you. If you're new here and you don't know me, I'm Andrew. This is my YouTube channel, Touring Midwest, where I highlight the Midwest from a biker's perspective. So whether you're into motorcycles or you just want to know where to find the best burgers, brews, and things to do and see in the area, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Let's get on with it, shall we? If you've sent anything recently that should have arrived in the last couple days, I haven't been to the post office, so I apologize. That'll be the next mail call, I guess. A lot of times I try to do like an Instagram story and give a shout out to whoever sends me something on there, but I decided to do a video this time, so might be one way or the other, but if I get enough mail, we'll make this a regular thing. This one is from Burger Dave. Burger Dave. I'll put links down in the description so you can look everybody up on Instagram and their YouTube channels if they have them. So he says, "Hey Andrew, here's a few stickers for you. Hope you like them. Look forward to yours. Keep the videos coming. I like checking them out. Ride safe. Hope to see you on the road somewhere this year. Dave." Thank you, Dave. Here's his stickers. I think I've got an overview shot here. Hopefully that shows up. I'll just leave these stickers right out. He sent 3 of those babies for me. Moving right along, this one is fairly new. Just got this one the other day from the Chestnut Mountain Tin Man. He's on Instagram. He says, "Looking forward to checking out your stuff. Glad I found you on Geared Raven." Geared Raven gave me a shout out. I sent her some stuff a week or so ago, so very, very cool. Thanks, Geared Raven, for that. I've enclosed some stickers and spam cards, Blue Knights cards. Ride safe, Ron. Thanks, Ron. Here's his spam cards. And some stickers. The Chestnut Tin Man. Chestnut Mountain Tin Man. And another spam card. Very, very cool. Thank you very much. My boy Knuckles. What's up, brother? He says, "Please do not bend." Thanks, Knuckles. He says, "Thank you for the support, Kinfolk Knuckles TV." Kinfolk is kind of his thing, right? So he sent me one of his very cool stickers, Knuckles TV. Knuckles coming at ya. Boom, right there. Thanks, brother. Appreciate that. Alright, now here's one from the Geared Raven. I sent her out a patch and some stickers, so she returned those. Very cool. She designed her logo herself. Very cool. So that's her spam cards. She's on Instagram and YouTube, so be sure to check her out. Andrew, thank you so much for the support on IG and YouTube. It really means a lot to me. Thank you also for the stickers and awesome patch. I'm on the lookout for a new vest to add more patches to. I'm sending you one back in return. Ride safe out there. Mary, the Geared Raven. Thank you, Mary. Yeah, her logo is super cool. These stickers are awesome. Legit, as the young people say. And a patch to match. That will be going on my vest somewhere. Promise you. Promise you that. The Geared Raven patch. Very cool. That's an awesome logo. Alright, so next up we have some mail from Bodine 52. Now he sent me 2 things, so I don't know if he meant to or not, but thank you very much. Thank you very much. Alright, Bodine 52. Watch us on YouTube, follow us on Instagram, like us on Facebook. That's his spam card. A couple of those babies. Bodine 52 sticker. Very, very cool. I always find a place for these stickers, you guys. I've got some on my fridge back here that hopefully will be getting a new fridge pretty soon because this one's too small. Got some on my toolbox over here, which I don't believe you can see. Some on the garage door, some on the bike. I've been putting some on the tour pack, on the lid of the tour pack and whatnot. So anyway, so the first one he sent me, his letter says, "Hey brother, really appreciate your channel and the content. Keep them coming. Have a great and safe 2019. Bodine 52, Bob." He sent me a couple poker chips, one from Motor City Harley Davidson and one from Valley Harley Davidson, Triadelphia, West Virginia. The Harley Davidson logo on that side. It's got that one symbol, right? And this one says Farmington Hills, Michigan, Motor City Harley Davidson. Very cool. Thank you for the first one, Bodine. Let's see what's in the second one. I feel like maybe he forgot that he sent the first one, or I don't know, but they both came about the same time. So if one of these were supposed to go for somebody else, sorry, they didn't. They didn't make it. So another Bodine 52 sticker. Very cool. "Hey brother, love your channel and appreciate your work. Wanted to get you a sticker out and look forward to more videos. Ride and be safe in 2019. Bodine 52, Bob." And another poker chip here. Well, I really appreciate this, Bodine 52. Thank you very much. Here's another Motor City Harley Davidson poker chip from Farmington Hills, Michigan. Thanks, man. I really do appreciate that. Very, very cool. Very, very cool. So this last one isn't fan mail or other moto vloggers or anything like this. This is actually from Distinguished Ruffians. You may have seen a lot of their stuff on social media, Instagram, Facebook, and things. I was recently accepted in as a Distinguished Ruffian, and this is just the welcoming letter or whatever, and patch. So Distinguished Ruffian patch. These guys, it's a really cool group. It's guys, you know, just doing man stuff, and it's all about just kind of the same things that I'm into, some of the same things that Braaap Town's into. Just getting out there, being a positive impact on society, enjoying life, smoking cigars, and a lot of them ride motorcycles and things. So this will definitely be another patch that goes on my vest. So I got two of those babies to go on. So this actually happened a while ago, but just a big shout out to the Distinguished Ruffians, and I thank you for allowing me to be a part of your guys' crew. They have kind of chapters all over the country, not here in Minnesota quite yet, but we do have a couple members here, so maybe we'll get something going. But very cool. Also, if any of you Distinguished Ruffians check this video out, note that I have a charity event coming up June 1st, 2019. So, you know, if you want to come out and smoke cigars, or if you ride motorcycle, be sure to get registered for that. That goes for everybody watching as well. So hey, thanks again to everyone who sent me some mail. Really, really appreciate it. Hopefully we keep these mail videos coming. So if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. It won't cost you a thing, but it's going to keep you up to date and notified every time I upload a new video or go live. You don't want to miss that. Another super easy way to subscribe is to tap the Touring Midwest icon right there. If you want to see another video from me, then you can check out this one here, and here's one that YouTube recommends for you. That's it. Have a good one. Stay safe out there. As always, we'll catch you next time on Touring Midwest.